Hey guys and girls, so it is springtime and I'm getting my garage back to normal. So that means putting back the rim that I had here for actually holding my garden hose for washing cars and watering the grass and whatnot. So in this area, in the wintertime, I actually have basically a contraption for holding two face cords of wood, which we burn in our fireplace. But now it's time to get back to spring and summer and fall, and that means putting the rim back. So there's multiple options out there for hanging hoses. I happen to find a rim at Canadian Tire. I think I paid about 20 bucks for this. It was on clearance. I think it was mismatched or overstock, and it was missing a little fin on here, which I painted back with some silver Sharpie. You'd never know. It doesn't matter, it's just holding a hose. So I just want to give you an idea for a better way, or at least a nicer way of holding your hose, especially in a car garage like this. So basically what I've got is, these are structural screws, and it's long enough to go through the lug hole into this wood piece right here. So this wood piece is actually going to hold all the weight of the rim and the hose, and it's just these screws themselves that are actually going to hold it to the wall. So this block is doing all the work itself. So I'll just show you guys how that process goes. So I line everything so that this part is straight, and at the bottom here there's a little hole for the screw for the cover to go in. So I just align everything up. Hopefully it stays in place. I'm using a Torx bit. That's the bottom one in. I put two in just in case. You probably don't need it. There you go. Everything's secured. Rim's on the wall. It is not going anywhere. Cover goes on. Cover just has a little cap screw or Allen screw to go in. I don't like to torque these down with the impact, just in case. It's not going anywhere. It's not like it's on a car. Not like it needs to be really torqued on there in place. So now, as you can see, we got our rim up there. Looks pretty good, in my opinion anyways. We can take our hose, done. Now we got a nice place to hang our hose. Looks really good. Be a conversation piece for people when they come over. So if you guys like the video, and girls like the video, thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, thumbs down. Leave comments in the comment section there if you want. I'll get back to any questions. Think about hitting that subscribe button. I'm posting new stuff frequently. Until the next time, take her easy, guys.